welcome to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and today I'm filming what I eat in a day on Weight Watchers Freestyle. This will be vlog style, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started by making our breakfast, and Gary is out the door again to the chiropractor, and we've got some errands and things going on today after we finish school. So come along with us for our day. Okay, here's what I'm having for breakfast. That's 1 piece of the center cut bacon for 1 point. I'm also having the veggie omelet for 1 point. That is that has veggies, 2 eggs, and it has a ½ ounce of reduced fat, 2% milk, cheddar cheese. Then I'm having some blackberries and a cream cheese fruit dip, 1 tablespoon of that. That is a mixture of cream cheese, reduced fat cream cheese, and marshmallow fluff, and the full serving is 2 tablespoons for 3 points, and I do 1 tablespoon. And I'm also having coffee with 1 tablespoon of the pumpkin spice sugar-free creamer, which is 0 points. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up the kitchen a little bit while Sophie's doing her handwriting and Katie is doing her math. Mostly clean. I'm gonna go work with this little bit right there, and then we are going to head out for some errands. Okay, so today is a really short school day for us. Both girls have worked ahead because we knew that we needed to go shopping today. We need to go to the mall. So Katie's got language arts and math. Sophie also has language arts and math, and she did her handwriting while I was making breakfast. So I'm gonna go ahead and do Sophie's language arts and math while Katie finishes up, and then we are going to head to the mall. Okay, we finished up school. We're getting ready to go run our errands. First up will be the library, but right now I am making my water. So I'm gonna use, these are 0 points. See if we can get it to focus. This is just the Great Value strawberry watermelon water flavoring. So I'm gonna add that, about 20 ounces of water. And I'm just trying to use these to help me drink more water. I'm really bad at drinking all the water that I need to drink. How's your baby doing?
Baby's not hurt.
What's this baby's name?
Baby Sophie.
So that's baby Sophie? Okay, so we're getting ready to leave. Sophie's in the back. We are headed to the library. We have already completed the first, I think, 7 or 8 weeks of school. So we're taking our first week-long break. We do homeschool year-round. And so we're going to the library to get some books for a paper that Katie's gonna have due when we get back from vacation, which is on the British Isles. So we're gonna get some resources for that. And we're all gonna get some books to take with us to the beach next week. Sophie, you gonna get some books?
Because I have my baby.
You do have your baby. And then after we go to the library,
we're gonna go eat at Chipotle, and then we are going to go to the mall to get some shopping done.
Chipotle for lunch. We're gonna go in here. I'm going to order like a burrito bowl type of thing. So I usually, if I'm gonna do something like this and I'm trying to count the points, then I try to figure out what I'm gonna order before I go in so that I don't mess up the points.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break.
Alright, so we finished up at the mall. We were getting ready to head back home. We had our little Starbucks coffee break, and Sophie had a little apple juice break. She was kind of getting a little fussy, so it helped her to be her sweet little self again, right, Sophie?
Yeah.
Apple juice makes you happy? Excuse you, Sophie. Okay, so we're back from the mall, and we thought we'd show you a few things that we got. We feel like we did really good, didn't we?
Yes.
Really good. So Katie needed some clothes, and I was gonna get a few things for fall, so first I'll show you what we got Sophie. So we are going to the beach next week, and usually we buy most of our clothes from the outlets, and so that's where I'll be shopping for Sophie, but we replaced a little shirt that she loved that had an unfortunate incident during therapy, so we found that at the mall, and she was so happy to have that replaced. So we got that for her. We also went to, was it Rack Room?
Rack Room.
Okay, Rack Room always has the buy one, get one 50% off, so I got some little shoes. I thought these were adorable. It's a little sort of mauve pink. These are just bobs. So these were like $30 each with the buy one, get one half off deal. So those were good for fall. And then I got 3 shirts from Altered State. So this little flannel, I thought that was really cute. They had a buy one, get one half off deal going as well. And then this one has little ties on the arms. It's like a 3/4 length sleeve. I thought that was really cute too. And then this one that's long, you can wear it with leggings, and it's got a hoodie. I thought that was really cute as well. So all those were from Altered State. And then Katie.
So I went to American Eagle and I went to Vans. So I'll first show you the things that I got from American Eagle. So I got this scrunchie pack because I thought it had some really cute colors for fall. And I got this tie-dye sweatshirt.
It's really cute.
It is. I got a pair of some mom jeans. And I got this pair of just normal jeans. And I also went to Vans and I got a pair of black checkered Vans. I've been wanting those for a really long time.
Okay, so before I start cooking dinner, I'm gonna go ahead and replace my under cabinet light bulbs. I got these from Amazon, and they are actually LED, so they don't get as hot. I had numerous ones out, and so I'm gonna go ahead and replace those under here.
Yes, our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered.
Okay, so they are all replaced now. All the under cabinet lighting has 2 bulbs, and they're LEDs, so they're not getting hot anymore. They're not heating up the cabinets. I feel like it's a lot safer. I feel like it looks prettier too. Okay, so I'm gonna make some cheese lasagna rolls, which are 6 points on Weight Watchers Freestyle. I've got some frozen sauce that I'm gonna heat up to do with that. You've probably heard me talk numerous times before if you've been around our channel for a while about the 0 point marinara from the Skinniest Dish. I think it's the skinniestdish.com, but I'll link that below. I always use that for any kind of Italian dish because it really reduces the points with not having to count points for the sauce. Really all I need to do is thaw this. I don't need it to be hot or really boiling or anything like that because it's gonna go in the oven anyway. So while that's heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and put the lasagna noodles together. Normally when I do this, it is a little bit of a process, so I like to just go ahead and make one and freeze one, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so while I'm making my filling, I'm just gonna go ahead and heat up the water for the noodles. I'm gonna go ahead and preheat my oven to 350 degrees. So I'll also link the recipe for these cheese lasagna rolls, but they are actually spinach lasagna rolls, but my family doesn't do spinach, so I just turn them into cheese lasagna rolls. But I will link the original recipe in the description box below. So it's gonna make 9 lasagna rolls at 6 points each.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and assemble these, and all you do is you're just gonna take your filling and put it on each one and spread it out.
I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.
Love changes.